Hey guys, so today we have a new fan. This is the new 44-inch Home Decorators Collection Ashby Park. Here's the box for it. Yes, I did update. I also fixed, I'll get to that. Here's the box for it. Ashby Park, Ashby. I'm gonna call it Ashby. Here's the box for it. It's got the Canarm Twister. I put the globe from the Canarm Twister. My original plan was to take this, put it where the latex is, and move the latex into the garage. But I think my granny doesn't really want me to do that, so this is just gonna go in the garage. I did steal the globe off of it, and I flipped the blades on this. I will make a remake video of this after I'm done the other fan. This is one of the special ones that has the color changing thing, which I'll show you. So yeah. Not sure when this was made exactly. I looked at the stickers, but there's inside like the up there. So yeah. It's got 3 blades. On one side is dark gray washed out and blackened oak. On the one side it's dark gray washed oak, and on the other side is blackened oak. So I decided Grandra wanted to, obviously, yeah, this is installed in the room. I have that light so I could see it better, because it's without it, it's kind of dark, and I didn't want to keep the light kit on the fan because it's quite bright. Speaking of the light, here it is. I'm really surprised by this fan. We bought it at Home Depot for $130. So yeah, so there's the light. Now we'll start with low. This thing really performs well. It cranks out air on high, which you'll see in a bit. Just close the door. Actually, wait, I want to turn this lamp on too. Maybe that'll help. Here's medium. Like, the only air it makes you're hearing is wind noise. Like, that's it. Now for high. It just cranks out air. Just the light again. It's a perfect light for this room. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.